There are a ton of ChatGPT extensions out there. How can you use these extensions on your mobile device? The first thing to do would be to go to your App Store or Play Store if you're an Android user and search Kiwi browser. You're going to search for Kiwi browser, and that's going to bring you to this browser. So you're going to see install. I already have it installed, so I'm going to click on the open button. So that brings you here. On the search bar, you're going to search for Chrome Web Store, and that's going to bring you to this result here. So you're going to click on it. So this is the Chrome Web Store. As you can see, it houses a lot of extensions that you can use on your mobile browser. So what you're going to do is come over to this place and search ChatGPT extensions. So here we have it, a lot of ChatGPT extensions displayed here. So all you need to do is to go through all of these extensions, find the one that suits your need, and so click on it. And that's going to bring you to this page. So you're going to have to click on the Add to Chrome button, and then it's going to display this. So you're going to click on the OK button, and up there is going to say check-in. Boom, as you can see now, it says remove to Chrome. So this means it's already on your Kiwi browser. Okay, so to see this extension or to use it, all you need to do is to click on the three dots up there and scroll down to this place. So you're gonna see these extensions. So from here down are all extensions I already use on this Kiwi browser. So all you're going to do is to open the one you need. Okay, so I need to open this because that's the one we just added. So you're gonna click on it, and boom, it's gonna bring you to the extension. So you'll be able to see what the extension does, and you would be able to interact with whatever extension you installed.